Tools needed are a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, magnetic preferred, a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver, magnetic preferred, flathead screwdriver. To remove the top and sides, begin by unplugging the brewer and disconnecting the water line. Open the hopper door and remove the milk powder hoppers and mixing bowl. Remove drip tray and waste bin. Then remove the screw and washer to the left of the mixing bowl at the top edge. Place your hand on the top cover just behind the K-cup pod lever. Slide it back 1 inch and lift up to remove the top panel. Remove the screw and washer just behind the lever on the left-hand side. Pull the faceplate towards you to remove. Then remove the nozzle cover by sliding it forward to remove. Remove the coffee nozzle first by sliding it forward out of the holder with the steam guard and disconnecting the tube. Remove the top cover and set both parts aside for cleaning and sanitizing. Secondly, remove the milk nozzle by sliding it forward out of the holder and disconnecting the tube. Separate the spout in the top tube connector for cleaning and sanitizing. Remove the milk tube by sliding it out of the hole that leads to the mixing bowl. To install, slide the milk tube back through the hole leading to the mixing bowl. Reassemble the milk nozzle and slide it back into the holder. Reconnect the tube. Reassemble the coffee nozzle and slide back into the holder. Reconnect the tube. Slide the nozzle cover back into position. Reinstall the faceplate and secure with the screw. Reinstall the top cover by sliding it forward into place. Secure with the screw and washer to the left of the mixing bowl at the top edge. Reinstall the mixing bowl, powder hoppers, waste bin, and drip tray. Call us at 888-CUP-BREW and select option 5 with any questions. Thank you.